So Glazer's was founded by Ed Glazer, and that is my grandfather. Glazer's was founded in 1935 here in Seattle. We are a third-generation business, and my brother Ari Lackman and I are the current owner-operators. You know, our passion is creating a place where people enjoy coming to work. We all spend a lot of time together. We are a family. It's a family business. And, you know, in the past couple years in particular, like, this team has come together in a really incredible way. And I am passionate about our staff and our employees. Many of them have been with us for many, many years. And they range from having expertise with, still photography, film photography, instant film enthusiasts, to video and content creators. So we run the broad gamut, and they're all really special, wonderful, including our rental employees who do not work in sales. So between the rental house and our sales department, we can take care of everybody. Glazer's has always had a long history with Canon, and we cover the full range of Canon products, everything from cinema down to point and shoots, including Canon professional printers and papers. The philosophy of the business is to really have on display in our demo showcases any camera that's available and pretty much any lens. Glazer's offers a wide range of classes, workshops, and events. The goal and the philosophy is to always have programming going, and that could be free community-based photo walks happening, immersive, like experiential on-location workshops, technical workshops, and we have like some major anchor events, including our big Photo Fest, which is in June, where we bring the community together and have a big sale. But really, it is about coming together as a community and activating all of our vendor partners so we can have fun for the weekend. We really love what we do. When we kind of think about like what people do once they leave the store, it's really powerful, and that's like my guiding light to show up and do what we do.